Uh, Good morning, delegates. So we have recently made a technical upgrade. We have launched a system to manage delegates and judges also. So that is BMVB dot ManageUN dot app. I have shared the link on the WhatsApp group. So I will show you the instructions how to sign up, register, and what you can do with this new portal or system that we have made. The our website is just for public display. They can get the information and you can too, but this is to maintain all your files, all your attendance and all. So you have received an email like this from Aradhana Das that you have been invited as a delegate. So there is a get started button. Click on that. So you will be taken to a sign up page that it will say that you have to make a ManageUN account. That is it. You will just have to enter your first name, last name is optional, and then the email field is all okay. You do not have to worry about that. We are using the email that you had submitted to us through a form, if you remember. So whatever email you have received, it is there already filled out for you. You cannot change that. Just make a password for yourself and enter your name. Password, you can keep it simple. We do not know about your password, don't worry. So when you will create your account, it will show that redeeming your invitation. Then you will see a page where hello and just your first name will be written, and whatever it is, just you can close this window right now. You can log out and close this window because your account actually will be activated once we do it manually. So I am refreshing this page, the page where you saw 70 and this and that is the page we see. And hello test, this is the test account I made as a delegate. This will be your view. And the page where 70, 28, 18, etc. are written, that is our view. We can view that, but this is our page. So I am refreshing that, and this is your page. So when we refresh that, when you refresh that, you will see that you do not have been assigned any council or anything, but actually you have been assigned everything. We are just logging in now as the organizer. What we as managers will see, we are managing you guys so that your accounts are all okay. So we will see that there is one unseated delegate now, our test account, unseated, not assigned any council or any country. So we will go here. You do not have to do anything about like this. This is just what we do. I am sharing that. We just click on open, and we see that your council is pending and your delegation is pending. We scroll down and assign you a seat. So before assigning a seat, we first go to our institutions, and there is only one institution right now, and I am adding the test account. That is done. We have added the test account to our institution, that is our school. We have added that account to our school. Now I will go to a council to which you belong. Then I will edit the country that you belong. For example, I am taking Argentina, and I have written that I have chosen the test account as the delegate. I will delete all these test account and things. Original delegates will see their name there. So this is also what the results see. So we also have a system to manage your behavior and all. If you do any misbehavior, your misconduct, we can ban you, and we on the basis of the report received by the judges. So keep that also in mind. So you can see that now the institution is BMVB ASMA and all. Okay, are you following with me? Are you understanding what we see? Now this is what the judges see. The judges will see and take attendance as per the list given here. I have not refreshed, otherwise there would be Argentina, under Argentina test account would be written. Don't worry about payment. If we have to make any announcement, we will announce it on WhatsApp and also make it available on the announcement page. Now my institution, all participants from your school are listed here. So when you go to my council, only my council will be visible now to the judges. Now no position papers are still submitted because you have not received any specific topic from us. So when you will make your position paper, you can upload it online and we will see that. And these are the awards that our judges will be awarding. So let us go back and log out. Now I am showing you what the delegate, that what you will see when you log in the next day, because as I had said, we are doing all this manually, so it will take some time, almost a day. So after you now log in, you will see that you are now the delegate of this country in this committee. It says click on the menu icon, so that is the menu. This is the menu. You just have to go to my council and you can see, and payment, don't worry. And in my council you have all the delegations. Now test account is written there, as you can see, and these are the judges, chairs. These are the topics, topic A, topic B, topic C and topic D, on which you have to write your position paper and all. This is not final, we will update it when we release the background tiles. So that is this thing. Now I will also show you how to upload the position paper if you are submitting it online, like on this site. So first of all, ignore my actions, but please click on choose file on this page. Okay, it says no file chosen, so choose the file first. And we are only accepting PDF now, so if you do not know how to create a PDF from Word document or like something like that, you can tell us. So after you have chosen the file, you can click on upload and it will be uploaded. Our judges will get it and they can read your position papers and decide. Resolutions on the day of the conference, as I said, you have to write resolutions and all, so you can select your topic here. So awards, these are the awards, as you can see, best position of paper award. So best position paper, when you upload the position paper, our judges will see it, do the marking and all. So if you now go to the council, you cannot see other councils' position papers and resolutions. So whatever hard work you do, it is already, we have made a system that others cannot see that. Other delegates cannot see that. Only our judges and we can see it. So I am just logging out now, and I will again show you from our account. We are managing this thing, so this is our official account. So I will now remove the test account so that actual delegate of Argentina can register. So as of now, we are going to the list of delegates, and this is the test account. I will first unassign the seat. Unassigning seat means I am removing the delegate. Now I will revoke the position as a delegate. This just means we are deleting someone. So at this stage, this deletion means I had created the test account to let you guys know how to do everything. So now I am removing it. I am still keeping this account as an observer, so if you have any technical difficulties, I will log in like an observer, technical head, and I will sort out your problem with that account. So that is the thing. I am now an observer. So this is the major part. So 70 delegates are still to register on the site. Please do that as soon as possible when you are free from your exams. Only 18 have registered up till now. Attendance will be taken from this system, management system. So, and the officials of United Nations had actually told us to make something like this. So that is the thing. You can see 2 press members will be attending. There are 4 committees or councils. So I will now tell you how attendance will be done. For example, attendance will be done something like Belgium, Akshat Singh, Brazil, Giti Kumari, etc. So that will help them to keep track of which country is represented by which delegate, and they will not lose out on anything. It will be easier for you too. So check out your email, the email you had given. Check out that account, click on this link and do this procedure. I hope you have understood. If you have any questions or any difficulties, do tell me.